Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best wireless doorbells you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many wireless doorbells and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each wireless doorbells so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a wireless doorbell. First, think about the range, as a longer range ensures the signal reaches from your door to any part of your home. Next, consider the sound options and volume control, because adjustable tones and loudness help you notice visitors easily. Also, check the power source, whether it uses batteries or plugs into an outlet, depending on your convenience. Look for weather resistance if you live in areas with extreme conditions. Compatibility with smart home systems is another feature that can improve convenience and security. Lastly, make sure the installation process is simple and that the design matches your home style. Paying attention to these factors will help you choose a reliable and durable wireless doorbell. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.